Okay, today we will see part 2 document management system. Let me enter username and then password. Okay, the interface looks like this. Let us see all about the documents. Here document categories, documents, document list, document type, and the folders. Okay, here is services. What kind of service we give under this document management system, the organization, the departments, and file transaction from one office to another, notification, the report, and general and end users. So last time you have seen about documents on part 1. Today I want to show you the services, and let us create it. Let us create a client. Okay, phone number. Okay, department, let us say economics, position manager. Okay, Matthew is already saved, so okay, let us go to give the problems. Let us create the problems. Okay, service type first. Regular device. Okay, we saved. Okay, here we saved all the service type. Let us create problems. Okay, service type we completed. Then we have to create the problems. Okay, we completed. Now let us show the service which is given for those people. Let us say Joseph got legal advice. Okay, the problem, neighbor disputes, create date. Okay, we write something here. Then simply for example, we save. Then we save. After that, we will go to here, file transaction. Okay, let us create recipient. Subject, reference, Okay, and let us give date, choose the file, description, okay, your file successfully sent. Okay, here is the file, approved and rejected. Okay, when we see the detail star file, okay, it looks like this. When we see this one, this one is approved. So we have to go to approve it. Okay, this is sealed, it can't be edited. Because this is for approval, then approved successfully. Okay, this is approved. So this also let us to make to approve. Okay, this also approved. So the file is here, all file is approved. Okay, so this shows how to document management system works. Let us to see a departments. Okay, organization, user services, document types. These all works under documents. Thank you so much for watching.